This 2025 Jayco Jay Flight 284 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 10, smoke detector, water heater, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, awning, external shower, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, microwave, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Flight 284 BHS is 6,607 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.